Thank you. Let me invite Ronald to the stage. Ronald is from the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment. Right. And Ms. Nazreen is from the Faculty of Arts, Design and Architecture. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Pumuzo, for the wonderful presentation. I thought I was going to see some drones, flying in there. Why did you decide to just have a video where you explain everything there and where we are not seeing anything happening? Probably there's a reason for you to do that.
Okay, so I had 2 takes. The first take had a lot of visuals and integration, and then I had this take. So when I looked at the first one, I looked at the issues of copyright and everything. Then I decided to take this one, which was more student-led, where I was just explaining. And then I actually do have a pilot license, and those drones that I just was playing with that day, it's more slow. When I really needed them, they just didn't work. I couldn't figure out what was the problem. So I decided I would just prop them. That's actually what happened. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judges, any question from the judges? Then from the audience, any questions, including the online audience? Okay. Any question from the audience? Okay, all right, thank you.
Hi, Pumuzo. Since you are in your final year, so what are the results? Did you find any results? And yeah.
Yes, so currently 65% of the participants in my survey are of the view that drones are not being regulated in South Africa. And looking at what I have seen from New Zealand, for an example, there are a few takes that I'm going to recommend for South Africa where not only myself as an operator is aware of what is happening, but even the regulator themselves, the CSIR, could have a view of almost all the drones that are being flown in real time. Unfortunately, we do not have that in South Africa, but in New Zealand, they are able to do that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ronald. Let me just say, oh, sorry.
So currently my understanding is that trying to get a drone pilot's license in South Africa is incredibly difficult. It takes an extensive amount of time and it costs a lot. So my question is, have you found that there's been any attention from, for example, the government or the regulation committee's side to actually create a new set of rules for getting a drone license?
Okay, thanks for the question. So in my survey, I looked at 3 things. I looked at the pilots themselves, I looked at the operators, and I looked at the ROCs. So part of the pilots or part of the research for the pilot has indicated that indeed people are struggling. I mean, to get a license, you need about 25,000 at least. So unfortunately, as things stand, there's no any particular differentiation. If you are going to get a license, you must follow what everybody's doing. So as part of my recommendation as well is then to streamline, to say perhaps for someone who is from the poor background like some of us, how can we do, perhaps there could be grants so that we can have more pilots, have a pool, bigger pool, so that we can then have people that we can employ. I mean, there are a lot of unemployed youth that can benefit from such a program. Thank you.
Perfect, thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Ronald. Let me also just say he recently completed the ComRades Marathon. So that's why you see he's wearing the...
Thank you.
All right, so yeah, okay, thank you so much, Ronald. Okay, so thank you. Let's now move on to participant number 6.